Today, we will discuss Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress. All three platforms empower individuals and businesses to establish a presence on the internet. Whether it's a simple blog, a complex website, or an online store, they provide the tools to create and manage online content. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. Shopify, this e-commerce platform, is all in one. It offers hosting, website development tools, payment processing, and marketing features. Everything you need to start and manage an online business is here. It's a hosted solution, meaning Shopify handles the technical aspects, making it user friendly, especially for those without coding experience. WooCommerce, this is a plugin that integrates with WordPress. It transforms a WordPress website into an e-commerce store. It leverages the flexibility of WordPress, allowing for extensive customization of online stores. Essentially, to use WooCommerce, you must have a WordPress website. WordPress is a flexible content management system, or CMS. Because of its great versatility, it can be used to create almost any kind of website, from sophisticated commercial sites to blogs and portfolios. It's open source, which means you can download and use it for free, but you'll need a domain name and web hosting. Its strength is how customizable it is, thanks to a huge collection of themes and plugins. All in all, it's important to recognize that while Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress serve different core functions, they share some fundamental similarities, especially when it comes to enabling online presence and e-commerce.